Hi, it's Vic. I'm back today with another fun Christmas card. So for my card today, it's a slimline card and I'm using a polar bear image that I've cut out using my silhouette machine. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I put the bear together. So for his scarf, I've cut him out using some white cards, and then I've just got my Spectrum Noir red marker, and I'm just going to go ahead and colour in the scarf. And I'm doing the same thing for his little nose, and then I've got this little hook tool just to get them little bits of card that don't cut out completely. I've just poked that through to make his holes in his nose, and then I'm just adding some ears, and then because he's white I'm just going to go over him very lightly with some distress ink. So I've used a light blue just to add a little bit more definition to the bear. And for the scarf, I had a nightmare trying to get the little white bits to cut out on the machine, so I give up and I've used a jelly roll pen, and this is in white. So I'm just adding some stripes to his scarf, and then I'm going to go ahead and adhere his scarf to the bear just using some PVA glue. And I'm using my Time for Tea blender brush and some warm lipstick just to add some rosy red cheeks to the bear. And then I've got these googly eyes that I'm going to put on the bear, but I can't actually decide if I actually made him look creepy putting these on. So let me know what you think. I'm really not sure. I think maybe I should have been better just drawing them on, but I don't know. And I've got these Time for Tea designs, the slimline scalloped fa la 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 die and the spooktacular stencil. So I'm just going to go and add some clouds using some tumbled glass distress ink. And I've changed the colour of the frame because I had that green card and just wasn't quite working out for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and die cut that out. And now I've got these Hobbycraft mini Christmas tree dies, so I'm just die cutting these and then I'm going to adhere them together just using some PVA glue. Next I'm going to be die cutting these two hills from the landscape edge dies, and I've got some sparkle glitter card from Hobbycraft, so I'm just going to go ahead and adhere these to my card. I've got some double-sided tape and I'm just applying this to them landscape edge dies and just figuring out where to put everything, and then I'm turning the card over and just trimming off the excess pieces of card. And with the border I've applied that with some PVA glue, but you'll see in a minute I didn't get it quite right, so I'll go around the edges with a pair of scissors just to tidy it up. And when you are going to stick anything down onto glitter cards, I always use lots of glue and then just apply something heavy over the top if you can, because it does have a tendency to peel back up. So I'm not sure why that is. I don't know if there's anything on the card that makes it not stick very well, but that's only for if you're applying your adhesive over the top of the card. So I normally just use like an acrylic block or something heavy like a book just to make sure that it's adhered down nicely. And now I've got the Time for Tea Designs Let It Snow sentiment die set, so I've just gone ahead and run that through my die cutting machine, and I've used some white card and a light brown card for this. And now I'm going ahead and just adhering everything onto my card using some foam tape, and for the sentiment and trees I've just used some PVA glue. So I was going to leave the card like this, but I wanted to add some extra sparkle. So using that Time for Tea Design slimline die, I've gone ahead and used the snowflakes that come in the die, and these snowflakes are so pretty and they're just really detailed. I absolutely love them. So I've gone and used the same sparkle card that I used before, and now I've got this Spellbinders Tool-in-One, and this has a pokey bit on the end, so it's very handy for getting your dies out after they've gone through the die cutting machine. So now I'm just going to go ahead and adhere these down onto my card. And this is how the card looks at the end. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.